I mean, at this point in my life, I know that I can manifest anything. Raised by a single mother who received government assistance as we struggle to maintain. I felt the odds that were against me. I knew that they were there. But I had hope. I had family. I had friends. I had loved ones. But I also had haters and naysayers, jealous people, people who didn't necessarily think much of me. I mean, for many different reasons. But again, even with all of that, I knew that if I wanted it, I can get it. And not even in like an arrogant way. But more than anything, I've always believed and known that I belong to God. So, what we're seeing, what we're witnessing, what he's doing now, these are literally all the things that he's promised me. And it's just manifesting.